Hello and welcome to another update video about AGIX, AGIX. So I'm quite pleased that eventually this count indeed worked out so nicely. Been highlighting for a while that this move to the upside was very much of corrective nature, that in the short term a focus on higher was possible, but only as long as basically the ascending trend line or the ascending channel was being followed. That a break below channel support would most likely take it down into that sort of 30-cent region. Talked about all that, highlighted that, yeah, we had this resistance area, got rejected at the golden ratio. So from that point of view, you can see here how clear such a corrective structure was. And I just had difficulties to believe that a breakout from there would be high likelihood. Of course, possible. Anything is possible in these markets, but I often say I don't trade what could be, I trade what should be, and it should have made a lower low, which it did. Unfortunately, can't count that as a wave 4 anymore, so that needs to be revised. As I said before, though, that if we make that one more low there, I will have to find a way, or I will have to count it as a 1-2 setup, yeah. So that we basically have here another wave 1 to the upside and a wave 2 to the downside. So 1, 2, 1, 2 could also be an A, B, C. That's possible as well, but it doesn't make a great difference in terms of targets. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can talk about what is the level that AGIX now needs to hold in order to enable it to rally in the third wave here in yellow. Just need to move that a bit. 1 second. It's relentless, it's moving of waves. It's what it is. Okay, yeah, so let's look at possible targets here for the wave 2. So I just need to move that support area across. Just want to make sure that we pick the correct swing low down there. Okay. And then we need to hide though the 38.2 fib. And this is the area in which we now are. Just need to make sure we pick the high. Fair enough. So we can see that the price in this C wave came down nearly to the 61.8 retracement. So which is its 27.88 cent level. I think it's the level we talked about before. Looking at this, it doesn't give us a strong indication yet that a bottom has been formed. It's possible, but at the moment there is no strong indication. And my reading of this would be that this was possibly a 1, this a 2, this a 3. We might just be doing a 4, and one more low is not necessarily needed, but likely. Yeah, price action currently is suggestive of another low. We also broke below the 50-day moving average, below the 20-day moving average. Let me just check if the orange one is, yeah, it's the 50-day moving average. And let's also check target-wise, length of wave A, compare that to the length of the C wave. Now that would work out well. That would take us down into the 22 cent, to the 22 cent level. This is just the 1-to-1 ratio, a C wave target, not super reliable, but definitely a level to watch. Okay, so that's important as a level. Yeah, so we've got 2 key or 3 key levels. We've got the 61.8 retracement. That could be enough for support. It would enable it to make a new low in a 5th wave. Yeah, it's 27.8 cents. Then we've got that 22.2 cent level. And down there, the 78.6 retrace at 17.2 cents. No idea if we get there. Don't think so necessarily. But if we do and break it, this setup is going to go down. Yeah, so the bears will get into full control here. So I'm going to take that channel out. We don't need it anymore. What might be useful is to attempt to draw here a corrective price channel to understand if it can give us an idea where the C wave could end. There you go. So we've got a corrective price channel. One more low here, hits exactly the 78.6 retrace. So yeah, this gives us some confluence down here as well, okay, as a possible end point for a C wave. They don't always get there, but it's again another level to watch. Yeah, that's my update. And as long as we hold the 17.2 cent level, it should give us another high at the moment on the shorter time frame. Also one more low expected. I would say. Yeah, maybe we can even draw another trend line here to create an impulsive price channel in this C-wave impulse. So there you go. So you can see we're actually following that nicely, and we should soon approach resistance. So a break above the impulsive price channel would be a very first indication a low has been made. Yeah, so channel members do have access to the chart, so you will see that straight away. Yeah, live chart access. But yeah, that's sort of where we are, and that gives us another idea where the wave 5 could end. Impulsive price channel. Okay. All right, that's my update about AGIX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.